Recently, some Snapchat users say, unfortunately, Snapchat messages not sending to others. Now, if you found that Snapchat has stopped seeding all the messages that you try to send out to your friends, you need to watch this video to solve your problem. Because after analyzing the message not sending issues on the Snapchat user, I present the top 3 proven solutions that will fix message not sending issues. So, let's get started. First, you need to fix your internet issues. First, check your internet speed and stability. If you found that your internet is not working well, you can enable airplane mode. Or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. After solving the internet issues, now you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for Snapchat apps. Tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start. Tap App Permission. Enable Files and Media. Enable Location. Now go back, scroll down, tap Other Permission. Tap Change Wi-Fi Connectivity. Tap Always Allow. Scroll down again. Tap Battery Saver. Choose No Restriction. Enable All the Setting. Now tap Clear Data. Tap Clear All Data. Tap OK. After the first process, now follow the next process. Now tap on the Google Play Store. Tap Search option, type Snapchat, and quickly check for a new software update for a Snapchat application. Now go back to your and open Snapchat apps. Enter your login credential and see what happens. After following the process, please comment below if you still have issues with Snapchat messages not sending to others on your Snapchat account. Thanks for watching.